Have you ever wanted to create a board and batten wall, but thought it was just too complicated? Well, think again. We're going to show you the absolute easiest way to create a board and batten wall using the DOVOH Laser Level 360. Now we know what you're thinking. That sounds like really hard work.
But we promise you, it's not as difficult as it seems. With this tool, anyone can do it quickly with great results. So if you've ever wished for an accent wall that looks like a professional did it, keep watching and get ready to learn. Plus, we'll share an exclusive discount code later on for our viewers only. So let's get into it. Hi everyone, I'm Steph and this is my mom Michelle, DIY enthusiast who loves saving money while making our homes look beautiful, while inspiring homeowners with simple and affordable home project and decor ideas so that you can create a home you love without breaking the bank. Imagine the excitement of transforming your space into a picture-perfect masterpiece without the hassle. With the DOVOH Laser Level 360, you can say goodbye to cumbersome measuring tapes and the fear of misalignment. This cutting-edge laser level is designed to simplify the installation process, empowering you to achieve flawless results every time.
With any project, there's always a little prep work. First, we filled in all of the nail holes and sanded them smooth, and then we wiped away all of the dust with a damp cloth to prepare the wall for paint. The next thing you'll need to do is sketch out the design you would like for your accent wall. You can easily plot your wall to size using graph paper. We just simply shaded in the design so that it would stand out a little bit more. Having the sketch scaled to size will help you know exactly how much wood you need to buy.
Before heading to the store, I looked online to see what sizes were available and was able to calculate what I needed to get. To make this project as easy as possible, we're planning to use 1x4 primed common MDF boards. Here's a breakdown of supplies to give you an idea how much we spent. Keep in mind that I have 9-foot ceilings, which are a little bit taller than normal. All the boards I purchased were 1x4s, which are actually 11/16 inch by 3.5 inch. And I got one that was 12 feet long, one that was 6 feet long, and 9 that were 10 feet long. Then we also needed our gallon of paint, a couple tubes of construction adhesive like liquid nails, and a tube of caulk. And in all, it was just under $200.
You'll also need a little painter's tape, a tape measure, brad nailer, and of course, you'll want an accurate self-leveling laser level. First, we're going to use the laser level to mark out where the design will be on the walls. Not only are we planning to add the design to the back wall, but we're also going to bring that design forward on both sides out about 16 inches and then also bringing it forward onto the ceiling as well. By doing this, we're going to, in this small room, we're going to give the illusion that the room is deeper and wider than it actually is.
We love the fact that this level can be mounted on a tripod. It frees up your hands so you can actually focus on what you're doing. In the past, other levels we've used have been handheld, so you had to recruit another set of hands to help out. And it's super easy to use. Just use the switch on the side to turn it on, and the other function keys are located on the top. In this situation, we've activated both the horizontal and vertical lasers to show you what it looks like to have them both on.
We've placed the laser level out from the wall about 15 inches, and it projects on both of the walls and the ceiling all at once. We're going to use this laser line as our painting guide to apply a little painter's tape along the laser lines. One of the first things we noticed about using the new level is how bright it is. It's way more visible than any other laser level that we've used in the past. We even had a good chuckle when we realized that it was shooting out of the room and clear down the hall and was still bright. So just imagine how much better this will work in an outdoor situation as well. And if you use a laser receiver, it can extend the working range in some situations.
We've installed many different accent walls over the years, and we found it much easier to paint the wall in the new accent color before installing anything. It's much quicker to paint the whole wall rather than inside each individual shape once the design is up. Now that the paint has dried, we went around the room to measure the height of each of the vertical trim pieces. With all 6 measurements in hand, we can quickly cut each and install the vertical boards. And it's always a good idea to do a dry fit with each piece before adding any adhesive so you can easily make any adjustments as needed. After you know the wood is properly cut to size, apply a good amount of construction adhesive to the back side of each board.
Now we're going to place the laser level out 16 inches from the wall, so it's going to be a little bit further than our painting line, and we're going to place that trim board along the edge of the laser level line, and this will be a little bit past the paint line. So with the adhesive applied to the board, now we can press the board onto the wall, aligning it with the laser level as our guide. With the level in this position, we installed the two boards on each side, one on the left and one on the right. For those of you who may not have a pneumatic brad nailer, we're using painter's tape to hold the boards into place while the adhesive dries. Now this worked pretty well for the vertical boards, but we did have to break out the brad nailer for the horizontal boards so that they didn't slide down the wall. But if you're using thinner boards, then you may be able to get them to stick with just the painter's tape holding it while the glue dries. The next boards we installed were the two vertical boards that are in each corner of the wall.
After those had been set into position, we moved the laser level to align the placement for the two remaining vertical boards about 30 inches in on each side. Another thing we love about this laser level is its high accuracy. It's built with a durable pendulum so it can remain accurate for many years and even has a 5-year accuracy warranty. The level will beep as you're positioning it and will stop after it has self-leveled, so there's no guesswork if it's level or not. If for any reason the laser level falls short of its accuracy standards due to normal use within that 5 years, DOVOH will repair or replace the item free of charge. And they're so committed to providing high precision tools that they also offer a 2-year warranty for any quality issues resulting from normal use.
With all 6 pieces in place, we measured the length of the horizontal board that will go across the ceiling. After cutting the board to size and doing a dry fit, we then used a stud finder to mark the placement of each ceiling rafter, and then we marked that with a piece of tape.
Due to the weight of the board and the fact that it was overhead, we did use the brad nailer to secure it into place in each ceiling rafter. We simply transferred the tape onto the board so we knew where to drive the brads. And if you keep watching a little farther in this video, you'll also see why we're keeping the tape on the remaining boards even though the brads are holding them into place. With that ceiling board in place, now we can measure the distance from the board to the wall for the small ceiling pieces. We quickly cut them to size, did a dry fit, and secured them in place with the brad nailer. Then we measured in between each of the 3 sections on the main wall at the ceiling and cut each board to size, did a dry fit, and secured them into place.
And for the 2 remaining horizontal rows, we'll again use the laser level to help us precisely position each board into place. The laser level is set 30 inches down from the ceiling to create the first section. And then we lowered it another 30 inches to create the middle section. With its user-friendly design, this laser level provides a stress-free installation experience. Its mounting base keeps your hands free for easy adjustments and measurements. Plus, the compact and portable size allows you to easily carry it from one project to another.
Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a beginner looking to create a professional finish, the DOVOH Laser Level 360 is your secret weapon for achieving perfection. Namely due to the high brightness, high accuracy, and their 5-year accuracy warranty that differentiate it from others on the market. So why not elevate your space with the confidence and precision, impressing friends and family with your impeccable craftsmanship.
And to finish off the wall, we caulked in all of the seams and then used wood filler on all of the holes that were made from the brad nailer. Remember when we told you to pay attention to all of those excess pieces of painter's tape on these boards?
Well, we're all about trying new hacks we learn about to make our projects quicker and be more efficient. So we thought we'd give this one a try with this project. Not only was it helpful to use the painter's tape as a marker for the ceiling rafters and wall studs, but your mind's gonna be blown with this next benefit. You're gonna apply the wood filler directly over the painter's tape and allow it to dry. Then pull back the tape and you'll have very minimal sanding to conceal the brad holes. This hack drastically reduced the amount of time we'd normally spend applying the filler and sanding away the excess. Be sure to let us know if you've seen this hack before down in the comments, or if you have any other hack you like to use during the finish work.
And the final step is to paint the boards the same color as the accent wall. And now we can sit back and enjoy our beautiful board and batten accent wall.
Don't settle for mediocre results when you can have extraordinary ones. Join the revolution of effortless precision and unlock your full potential with the DOVOH Laser Level 360. Start your board and batten installation journey today and witness the remarkable transformation that awaits you. Be sure to look in the description box below to learn more and click the link to use the special discount code available to our viewers only and order yours today. Don't miss out on this incredible tool that will revolutionize your DIY projects. We can't wait to show you what other projects we have up our sleeves. Using this laser level is going to cut the precise calculation time in half.
Thanks for watching, and up next we're going to show you the easiest way to install picture frame molding in any room. Even though it's a different installation method, the laser level would have been an awesome tool for this kind of accent wall too.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos we release each week. There's going to be more from this bedroom makeover. Also, be sure to drop any comments or questions that you have down below. We love hearing from you. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.